Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to redeem your Rakuten points for gift cards. If you've been shopping online and racking up those points, you're in for a treat. Rakuten is that awesome cashback platform that lets you earn points on everyday purchases, and turning those points into gift cards is easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll be redeeming like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Rakuten account. If you don't have one, head over to the Rakuten website and sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. Here, you'll see your points balance front and center. Take a second to check how many points you've got. Most gift cards require a minimum, like 100 points or more, depending on what you're after. Next, navigate to the Rewards or Redeem Points section. It's usually in the menu bar or under your account settings. Look for something that says Earned Cashback or Points Redemption. Once you're there, you'll find a variety of options, but we're focusing on gift cards today. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of available gift cards from popular brands like Amazon, Starbucks, or even Walmart. Now, select the gift card you want. Choose the amount. Options might range from $5 to $25 or more, based on your points. Double-check the redemption value to make sure you're getting the best deal. After selecting, hit the Redeem button. You'll probably need to confirm your choice, so read through any details like processing time. It could take a few days for the gift card to arrive in your email. One quick tip: always redeem points before they expire, and keep an eye out for special promotions where you might get bonus value. That's it. You've just turned your points into something tangible. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.